Hello. In this lecture, I will discuss about catabolic reactions or catabolic processes which occurs in living system. Catabolic process. What are catabolic processes which occurs in living system? Catabolic processes are those chemical reactions in which complex chemical compounds are broken into simpler ones. Catabolic processes are breakdown reaction in which complex molecules are broken into simpler ones. What are catabolic process? These are those physiological processes complex in which complex chemicals are broken into simpler ones. Are broken into simpler ones. Example, there are several examples in our living system where catabolism occurs, breakdown occurs. The most famous common example is digestion of food. Digestion is a catabolic process. In this process, complex food is simplified into simpler ones in the presence of enzymes present in digestive juice. So, example is digestion. Digestion. What is digestion? Digestion is a catabolic process in which complex food is broken or simplified in the presence of enzymes present in digestive juice. For example, digestion of starch or glycogen. Example is digestion of starch or glycogen. Digestion of starch or glycogen occurs with the help of salivary amylase enzyme present in mouth, saliva. So in mouth, digestion of starch or glycogen occurs in the presence of salivary amylase enzyme, and this starch or glycogen, which is a polysaccharide, is broken into simpler disaccharides. So several molecules of disaccharides are released after digestion of starch or glycogen in mouth. So it is catabolic reaction. Another example is digestion of protein. What is protein? Protein is a polypeptide which is formed by the joining of several amino acids, amino acid plus amino acid. In between two amino acids, a peptide bond is formed. How? This is the formula of amino acid. It combines with another amino acid. In between the amine and carboxylic group of two amino acids, a bond is formed, chemical bond is formed. This bond is called peptide bond. Several amino acid joins to form many peptides. So proteins are polypeptides. It is digested with the help of proteolytic enzymes. In our system, there are several proteolytic enzymes are present. For example, trypsin, chymotrypsin, procarboxypeptidase, dipeptidase, peptidase, all are proteolytic. So protein is digested with the help of any proteolytic enzyme into dipeptides, and dipeptides is broken into peptides. Another proteolytic enzyme digests it into peptides, and the peptide is further simplified as amino acids. Is further simplified as amino acids. So this is also an example of catabolic process. So digestion of food is an example of catabolic process. Another example of catabolic process is glycolysis. Glycolysis. What is glycolysis? In a respiration chapter we will discuss about glycolysis. Two words are present, glycase and lysis. Means lysis, breakdown of glucose. In the process of respiration, oxygen gas is used in the oxidation of glucose into CO2 and H2O. So this process is glycolysis. So first step of glycolysis, the overall process of glycolysis is breakdown of glucose into two molecules of pyruvate. So glycolysis, glucose is oxidized in the presence of oxygen gas to form two molecules of pyruvate, which is a 3-carbon compound. Glucose is a 6-carbon compound. It is broken into two molecules of 3-carbon compound pyruvate. Further, pyruvate is broken into CO2 and H2O during Krebs cycle. So all these are examples of catabolic reactions.